Hey guys, welcome back to Heavy Duty Life. Just bringing you some more contents. So today I'm gonna be showing you today how to dig a trench, right, for a foundation footing. So we got the 305 Mini again here today. It's me, Iran. I'm a little raggedy today, but no worries. So it's a small job today. We're gonna be digging this footing up to there. You know, so that they're doing a little extension in front of the pool. So you're gonna learn how to dig a trench from me today. Alright guys, so we're digging this trench today for foundation footing. So seems it's gonna be like 16 inches down in the ground. It's not gonna be much, but what I like to do, I like to start digging like a little extra outside of the line. See, I give them a little extra. I'm gonna give them a little extra on this side too. So when they put the farm work, they have enough space to work. The video is gonna be short and sweet because it's not a big trench. I hope you enjoy it. So I'm gonna talk when it's necessary. You know. Here we go. I like to start on one side, trying to get my line straight. Alright, it's not a deep trench, but just like to show up where I'm digging. You know, make my impression there, get my line straight on that end. Shallow trench. Gonna go down. Looks like we close. So we have my boy there checking the level. She's showing me to go down deeper. Extra on this end too, you know, I don't want to go direct, so you know, open up just a bit extra, not much, just a little, so they get space to work. But most times the contractor would just spray directly what they want, and that's exactly what the foundation or what they're gonna pour, that's what they're gonna spray. So the extra that you put is they're gonna put a little farm works. So that's the level. That's the level we're working with here. So when we find the level now, we're not gonna dig anymore. We're just gonna float the bucket right in that area there. But you see it's soft. Try not to go down deeper than that. try to help them out as much as I could. So I'm just gonna press my bucket flat again. You see that? I'm just gonna pull. So definitely on the level there. Just keep the bucket flat as we come along. One level, you just walk back a little forward and you rest the bucket flat again where you acquired the level before, and you just flatten come through. Keep the bucket flat and you just scoop up again. So what you're doing there is like you just maintaining that one grade level. See, you just flat. show them fire job, you know.
Go.
Yeah. And this is what the trench looks like when we finish. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Hope you learned something from it. Hope you learned how to dig a drain with an excavator now. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment what you think about the video. And hope you enjoy it.